Good morning student. Today we are going to learn second standard English grammars. Okay, second number chapter sentences. Okay, but first we will see here the word. Word means what? You have to learn that. See, word means what? You have learned that letters arranged in a in a proper way to denote a meaning is called the word. Listen student, word means what? You have learned that letters arranged in a proper way to denote a meaning is called a word. Okay, now listen, here is letters, then which R, S, O, E. Okay, they are arranged in proper way? No. So we arrange this letter in proper way. See here, R, O, S, E, rose. Okay, they are making no new words, meaningful new words. Here are making the meaningful new words. Means see, you have learned that letters arranged in a proper way denote a meaning. Okay, here is the letter, then which R, S, O and E. Okay, there are the proper meanings? No. But we here arrange these letters in proper way. And these letters way denote a meaning. Means here is the meaning of these letters. No? R-O-S-E, rose. You know that rose means what? You know that, no? Rose means gulab. Okay? Means here is the we arrange this letter in proper way to denote a meaning. It's called a word. It's called a word. You understand that, no? Word means what? Okay, you have learned that letters arranged in a proper way to denote a meaning is called a word. Here is not arrange these words proper way. So here is not a denote a meanings, no? Proper meanings here. But we arrange this word, arrange this letter in proper way here. Okay, R-O-S-E. And there is denote a meaning of these letters, these words. Okay, means what? Word. You understand that, no? Word means what? Okay, see then next. Okay, we see here the sentence. Sentence means what? See, words, then we arrange this letter proper way. They are making the words. And sentence means what we see here. Sentence, words used in a group, in a group to make a complete complete sense are called, are together called a sentence. See here. Okay, sentence means what? Words used in a group to make complete sense are together called sentence. Now listen, we see here then examples. Okay, you understand that? No, then sentence means what? Words used in group to make complete sense are together called sentence. Called sentence. See here, sentence means what? Once again I repeat this. Words used in group to make complete sense are together called sentence. जेव्हा शब्द, वर्ड्स मीन्स व्हॉट? शब्द. शब्द हे व्यवस्थितपणे काय केले जातात? अरेंज केले जातात आणि त्या वर्डना काय असतो? एक अर्थ लागतो. त्या शब्दांना काय लागतो? शब्दांचा अर्थपूर्ण असं काय होतं? वाक्य तयार होतं. त्याला आपण त्या वर्डचं म्हणजे शब्दांचं काय होतं? वाक्यपूर्ण असं अर्थपूर्ण असं वाक्य तयार होतं. त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो? सेंटेन्स. सेंटेन्स मीन्स व्हॉट? वाक्य. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नो, सेंटेन्स मीन्स व्हॉट? जेव्हा अनेक शब्द बनून, अनेक शब्द एकत्र येऊन, परंतु ते शब्द व्यवस्थितपणे काय केलेले पाहिजेत? अरेंज केलेले पाहिजेत आणि त्या शब्दांना त्या शब्दांचा व्यवस्थित अर्थ जेव्हा निघतो तेव्हा काय तयार होतं? सेंटेन्स तयार होतं. डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नो, नाउ लिसन, सी हियर. But if the words are not properly used, they cannot make complete sense. But see here, but if the words are not properly used, these words are not properly used, they cannot make a complete sense. Now here is the examples of, see, group 1. Group 1. Okay, see, first cow, a grass and its. Okay, I write properly here. Listen. Group 1. Cow, a grass, eats. Okay, now listen, group second, see, group 2. He, a pen, gave me. Okay, first group C. Okay, cow, a grass eats. Okay, second group C. He, a pen, gave me. Means the words are not properly used here. Okay, they cannot make a complete sense. These words are not complete. Cannot make a complete sense. Okay, the words is group 1 and 2 do not make any sense. Okay, group 1 and 2 are not make any sense. Read the following sentence, okay, which have been rearranged properly. Now these sentences we rearranged here. Rearranged, see. Rearranged these sentences, see. Group 1. A cow eats first group and second group. Okay, then we sentence which word? Cow a grass eats. Okay, second C groups. He a pen gave me. Here is the not complete sense. Okay, here is the not complete sense, not make here complete sense, but we rearrange these sentences here. Okay, we rearrange these sentences. See, a cow eats grass, and here is the full stop. And second group, see, and first letter. Now listen, we rearrange these sentences. Here a write capital, then first letter we write here. Okay, capital. And here is the lastly what? Full stop. A cow eats grass, and here is the full stop. Now listen, then second groups, he. His H capital, no, first letter is capital of this sentence. Okay, he gave me a pen, and here is the full stop. Means see, now the same words make sense. Okay, here is the same words make sense. Means in this sentence there is the complete sense. Okay, here is the complete sense of these words. So these words are called what? Sentences. Here is the complete sense. No, sentence means what? A words used in a group to make a complete sense. Means we use here groups, and here make a complete sense. So this is a sentence, but here we used here groups of words, but here is not complete sense of these words. So these sentences, these words are called sentences? No, but we rearrange these sentences. इथे जेव्हा आपण काय करतो, अनेक शब्द राईट केलेले आहेत, परंतु इथे काय आहे, त्या शब्दांना अर्थ नाहीये. परंतु ते सेंटेन्सेस जेव्हा आपण काय करतो, खाली व्यवस्थितपणे राईट करतो, आणि शब्दाची सुरुवात आपण कॅपिटल लेटरनी जेव्हा करतो आणि शेवटी काय देतो, फुल स्टॉप देतो. सी हियर, अ काऊ इट्स ग्रास. What the cow eat? A cow eats grass. Second group, see, he gave me a pen. He gave me a pen. Here means here is the words used in a group to make here complete sense. No, here make the complete sense. So complete sense are together. So we called here the sentences. Okay, we called here sentences. Here is the not complete sense of these words. Okay, but here is the complete sense of these words. So we call here sentences. Here is the complete sense of Here is the complete sense of these words. But here is not complete sense of these words. Okay, do you understand now? Sentence means what? Words used in a group to make a complete sense. Words used in a group to make complete sense are together called a sentence. Called a sentence. Now listen, do you understand now words means what? You have learned that letters, okay, arranged in proper way to denote a meaning. Okay, means here is the letters. Then we see here no R, S, O, E. Okay, there is the meaning of these letters. Okay, no. So we arrange these letters in proper way. See here, arrange this letter in proper way means you have learned that letters arranged in proper way to denote a meaning. Here is the meaning of these letters. No, rose. Rose means, you know that rose means what? Okay, is called a word. You have to learn that letters arranged in a proper way to denote a meaning is called word. It's called word. And sentence means what? See, sentence means words used in group. Means here is words. Okay, in first group and second group you write no words. Okay, cow, a grass eat. Second group C, he a pen gave me. Here is the complete sense of these words. No, here is not complete sense of these words. We rearrange these words here. We rearrange these words and we write proper way. See, a cow eats grass. But first letter we write this sentence capital letter. No, here write the first letters capital. Okay, a cow eats grass and here is the full stop. Here is full stop. Now listen, see then second group. He gave me a pen. He gave me a pen. Okay, first letter we write here capital. He gave me a pen and here is the full stop. Means words used in a group to make a complete sense. Here is the complete sense of these words are together called sentence. Are together are called sentence. See here, two important sentences are groups of words to make complete sense. Sentences are groups of words that make here complete sense. See, two important points about the sentences are. Two important points of sentences are, we see it must start with capital letter. It must start with a capital letter. A capital letter. Then second point, see, it must have a punctuation mark mark for example, see, a full stop. A full stop. At the end. At the end. Okay, first groups we sentences see, first and second groups sentences we see now. Last I watch, see which, see here, cow or grass eats. Cow or grass eats. Second, see, he a pen gave me. He a pen gave me. Okay. Then we rearrange now this sentence and we see here a cow eats grass. Okay. There's first letter we write no capital and lastly we write the full stop. Okay. And he gave me a pen. Okay. His H capital we write no and lastly we write the full stop. Means it must start with a capital letter and it must have a punctuation mark, for example a full stop at the end. Do you understand now? Sentence means what and words means what and sentence means what. Now listen, we use different kinds of sentences for different purposes. We use different kinds of sentences for different purposes. We use them to state a fact, to ask a question, to make a request or to commands, to express a desire, to express a sudden feeling, etc. Means we use different kinds of sentences for different purposes. Then which purposes? See here, we use them we use them to what? To state a fact. Second, to ask a question. To ask a question. Then third, to make a request or to command. Okay, now listen. See then, to express a desire. First, second, third, see fourth. To express a desire. And fifth number C, to express a sudden feeling. A sudden feeling, etc. See, we use different kinds of sentences for different purposes. Then which purposes? See, we use them to state a fact, to ask a question, to make a request or commands, to express a desire. Okay, and fifth number C, to express a sudden feeling, etc. Now listen, then kinds of sentences. Okay, you understand now words means what, sentences means what, and we use different kinds of sentences for different purposes. Which purposes we see here. Then kinds of sentences we will learn in next video. I think you understand that. Then word means what and sentences means what. Thank you.